Hi, back again. We start again with our track. Today we want to make the tank and here these things there. So for that we start with add mesh circle. I think 12 is okay. So where we have them, I don't see them. No circle there. It starts very good. So yeah. Add mesh circle 12. Yes. But where is he? He is not there. Why he is not there? I don't know. That is bad. Yes, it is bad. Wow, after 3 circles I have 1. It is important that you are on that collection where you are C in the moment. Without that he plucks that somewhere in the sky. In other collections, and then you never find them and wonder why this collections has too much shit in there. And it lags, that is wonderful. I like lagging computers. So scale down, edit mode, extrude, bring down, extrude scale, extrude, bring down, extrude scale, and extrude down. So that is one of them. We have to bevel the edges. So at first we bring that in front that we see more. And then we bevel that edge. And that edge. Control B, move, roll middle mouse. Good, done. Object, shade smooth, and object, apply rotation scale. Good. Let's make this thing there. So we add mesh circle again. Where is the circle? I don't see that. What's that for shit? Can somebody say me what that is shit? Oh, it was a monster. Okay. But we need a monster. I am the monster. No, that is too less. So we go here and add mesh circle with 32 and scale down. And edit mode, B for book select, X to delete, we have that left. We make a copy, Shift D, bring it there, rotate Y 180 degrees and close the words with F. Then we take all and close with F. Then we extrude that down to the set. Then we get the top one and loop them, bevel them, and the down edge also. Good, that's it. Object, shade smooth. That we must plug now under the other there, so make it a little bigger. Such like that. And bring that here into the middle. And Shift D, make another one of them. but you see here shadow, there is a shading error, so we have to go here with a loop on both sides, then this is gone. Good. Shift D, bring it here to the side too, and that was that. We join that together as one, and we have done that. I placed it to the truck, scale it a little up, that we see them. We can give them a name, that is correct. That is, yeah, Fußhalter. Footholder. In English. So, yeah. Now we try to make the tank there. There is a bottom or such. So we make there at first add mesh cube. We give there a loop into that side and to that side, and delete the edge on the top there. So that one. So we have that L profile, we call it. And there should be the tank on. So we scale Y, that's that. And then we need one for the other side too. So we have that here. That should be that one there. Scale a little bit smaller and maybe a little bit longer. We will see. I don't know. And we need another one turned. So Shift D, rotate set 90 degrees, scale Y. I think that can be the size of them, but it is too thick, so we scale that, scale X, that it fits there into. Good. Then we take here this one with Alt D, we make a copy, then rotate set 180 degrees and bring it there too. So we have that. That here must come in front. It's all too long and so much. Oh, we'll make that later. So add mesh. Yeah, we have many methods to do that now. What is the best? I don't know. So we make some circle. Rotate X 90 degrees, scale down, grab. So I think bending there, yeah, that can be good. So we delete what we don't need. So with circle selection, we can select that here all. So only that left. Then go edit mode, A to select all, Shift D to make a copy. Rotate set 180 degrees, so we have two. Then Shift D, make a copy from there. Rotate X 180, so we have the other two. And that should be the tank. We close it with F afterwards. And then we take all and close with F. Bring that in front. And now we extrude that a little bit longer. So extrude, extrude and bring them longer there, so that can be the tank. Here, that I want to bevel, Control B, move a little. Here the same, Control B, move a little. That's the tank. But the tank has a small part into, so because of that, I take here the outer face, I don't know. So, and extrude scale them, and then scale Y, grab Y. But for that you need individual origins, but I make it manually. I plug it simply a little bit into the Y axis. That gives more this 3D effect. Good. You see other effect on there that you must make as a normal map, then it's easy going. What we see over the tank, there comes something to fit the tank. So we go here and hit Control R to make two loops. We get them to the side. I don't know. Yeah, it comes near to the end. That 2. Here it's better to cut it in the middle and use a modifier, mirror modifier, so all sides are the same. But I hate them, so I make it without. Good, we have that one. Then we take this loop and extrude scale, so that has a thickness now. The same we do here, extrude scale. So we have that one. Then we have here little spikes. I don't know the name. So something little coming out there. So we take that here. Oh, it's not even anymore, so we go back a little and get here another loop. Extrude scale. So then we bevel each edge there. So Control B, move. Here, Control B, move, and so on. So then object shades move. Now you see here the dark. Here it starts white and then it gets dark. That is called a shading error. And to get that away you need loops. So Control R when you make a loop here. And the loop here. Then they are gone. It's a simple thing. Normally you must do that overall here and in these parts too. Many loops then. Or you can make it much simpler and give them an edge split modifier, but then you have the double word count. So you must decide what you like. So rotate, set 180 degrees. Rotate, set 90 degrees, I mean. So now here this tank pipe. So add mesh circle, scale down, bring in front, grab Y, edit mode, extrude, bring them first up a little, extrude scale, and extrude up. Then extrude scale again, extrude bring up, and extrude scale bring up. F to close. That is for the gasoline then. So we take here shade smooth. We have already these shading arrows. So Control R, make there a loop in, Control R, make there a loop in, Control R there and there. That is the normally how that works. And are many loops then. And with the edge split that goes much faster, but double word count. Think on that. That is much. Double word count by a great object, then that can be 100,000s. That is, you must think about that. What you prefer for that? Oh, here we have no loop, no bevel, so we must bevel that for sure. So we have that. That is okay, and that should now be plugged in there. And we have a second problem. Here is something directly on it and is bended with them, but it is round. How to do such? Yeah, you can make that by shrink modifier. So he shrinks at another object. File, save. Or you make it with a trick. And you can now think about it. What I do? The trick, sure. So I look from there where I want to put it. So there I want to put it. So I click there, then add mesh circle, scale down, rotate X, so that I have. Bring it a little bit more in front, a little bit more up, and lean it till the side. So when we now directly look on it, then we have marked the circle, then mark the rest, and then we try here the projection cut. Well, it is B-sec now or what? I don't know. Short given along the plane. I don't think that is it. That's bad. There was an option before. Cut from view or so. I must look F3. Cut. Cut stripes, cut for the roof, cut the slab, cut the... That is bad. Then we must shrink that. Oh, I hate shrinking. Good, but who cares? Then the tank object, apply rotation scale. Objects set origin to geometry. That is our shrinking object. So edit mode and F3 fill grid. So we have that. Then we take there also object, apply rotation scale and set the origin to geometry. Then we need a modifier, solidify, but not that much, a little bit less. Yeah. And then we need here a subdivision surface, and we need the shrink modifier. Where is it? Shrink, shrink, shrink. Shrink wrap. Yeah. So the target to shrink is that one. And you see he plugs it directly on it. And we must say the offset should be more. And you see that isn't that good. I don't know what they all say. Well, there's no problem with it. I think that is blah. Only blah. Yeah. There are the super options there. It makes absolutely sense. Yeah, so I take nearest surface point, look from the side and get that here with shift down till there. And I think the problem is we need a higher vertex count. And it must be applied first. So apply the subdivision surface and apply the solidify and then use one of the things there happens. Good. And then we can bring them more up or down. Good. And I want to take now the axis from the normal. Nothing happens. Not bad. Aha, it is figure, but you don't show that. Why? Maybe I must apply that before, so I apply that. No, it is a small looking something. Good. Object, shade smooth, and give there solidify. Yeah, and we should apply the rotation scale before, and yeah, hopefully. That is horrible. Okay, forget it. We make it so we simply extrude that all and grab. That was no extrude, that was a copy. Where you do that? There's an overlaying something there. I hate this shrink shit there. Really. I must find the old option there with the cut from view. That's the best for do such shit there. Or I bend it myself with an other option. That is also possible. So add mesh circle, scale down, rotate X 90 degrees, bring it in front, F3, fill grid, then we take here subdivision surface on it, level 2, and solidify. Yeah, good. Now I want to bend it completely. For that must be all in the right dimension, so rotate simply that direction. Then we take the middle line, look from the side, numpad 3, get here proportional editing enabled, and grab Y. Or isn't it Y? It is Z. Grab Z. Well, now I can bend there normally when I have a good type of the bending. I think his sphere is a good one. Grab Z. Yeah, that can work. So we'll let that go. We disable them and then we look how near we are on the original. So rotate X and bring it near to. Oh, it's a little bit too much bended. So we get the middle line. Grab set again, but with proportional again. Grab set. Then we see what we can do to make that all fit with the other stuff. I think we go first completely out. Then we must really look. Best is to look through it. So, okay, again. Grab set. That can be good. So we can try that. A little bit rotation. I think that looks good. We go back to material mode. Yeah, perfectly done. Was a little bit heavy, you've seen that, but it works. So from my side it's okay. Try here to get a little bit more. Subdivide, apply, solidify, apply, object, shade smooth, and join that together with the tank. Then we get here our tank pipe and rotate them and bring them to fit with the other parts. Yeah. A little bit rotating that. There, then back to global axis. So that is the tank. We can join that together too, and bring that on the metal stripes we made. Where are they? Here. So bring it there. Oh yeah, that must be brighter then, wider brighter. So such like that, and more back. and here also back more to the Y, and the last one must come between there. Good. So that must come higher up, that too, and more to the side, that here too, higher, and more to the side. That is this part, top view, make that here smaller. We need with background selection. They're wrong turned, okay. But no problem. Good. That here can be a little bit more scale X, yeah. Then we can join that all together. Object, join, and we have that tank done. So grab it there, scale it up, and bring it on the track. Good. With the proportion, with all the other stuff, I said it before. We make that all later. First build, then adjust. Okay, for today it's enough for me, so we see us in the next tutorial. Thanks a lot, bye.